Makhandi Halwa is a truly indulgent dessert, rich in flavor and packed with the warmth of caramelized sugar, nuts and fragrant cardamom. It's perfect for festivals, cozy family gatherings, or a winter treat that will warm your soul. Serve this delicious halwa warm or hot and let its rich caramelized flavors take the center stage. Make sure to try this comforting dessert before the winter season ends. It's an experience you don't want to miss. Take 1 cup of fine semolina and add it to a mixing bowl. Then pour 3.5 cups of milk. Mix well to remove any lumps. Then let it soak for about 30 minutes. This step is crucial for softening the semolina and ensuring the smooth texture. In a pan, heat 1 tablespoon of ghee and let it melt. Add 3 tablespoons of each chopped almonds, cashews and pistachios. Fry the nuts on medium-low heat for 1 to 2 minutes or until they turn lightly golden. Next, add 1 tablespoon of raisins and fry until they puff up. Remove the fried nuts and raisins from the pan and set them aside for later use. In the same pan, add 3/4 cup of ghee and let it melt. Stir in 1 cup of sugar and cook on low heat. Stir continuously until the sugar caramelizes and turns a deep golden brown. This process takes about 12 to 15 minutes but is essential for the rich flavor of the halwa. Once the sugar is caramelized, give the soaked semolina and milk mixture a good stir and then add it gradually to the pan. Stir constantly as you cook over medium-low heat. Cook until the milk evaporates, the mixture thickens, turns brown and the ghee begins to separate. At this stage, add 1 tablespoon of ghee to enhance the richness and mix thoroughly. Now add half of the fried nuts and 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Adding cardamom powder is optional. Mix everything well and let it cook for an additional 3-4 minutes to combine the flavors. Your Makhandi Halwa is ready. Garnish it with reserved fried nuts and raisins for a beautiful presentation. Serve it warm or hot and enjoy the perfect balance of caramelized sweetness, nutty crunch and silky texture. Whether it's for a festive occasion or a cozy evening at home, this indulgent dessert is sure to be a hit. Don't wait too long to try it before the winter ends. This winter, treat yourself and your loved ones to the magic of Makhandi Halwa. It's a dessert you'll remember long after the season ends. Happy cooking! See you next time!